Hello and welcome back to another fabric video from Mandas Fabrics. We hope everybody is well and safe. Behind me over here you will see an empty space. This space we use to drape fabric or suits for display purposes. In this video we're going to choose 3 different Vaishali designs and fill this gap up by displaying them. In any fashion business, display is very important. And in the shop we use various methods to display our fabrics. Displaying the fabric is very important, and it totally transforms the look and it helps the customer make a decision. This is how we drape some of the suits. We've got French crepe suits over here with the kameez hanging on the top, shalwars below them, and the dupatta is folded and draped over at the top there. We've got 3 here. We've got 3 next door. We've got a fancy chiffon suit with the border design, a Vaishali design, and another Vaishali design there. Those are both Vaishali designs. Shalwars on the bottom along here, and the dupattas draped over at the top. This is the empty space that we are going to be working on today. The other methods that we use to display fabrics is suits along the ceiling. These are viscose prints matched up with plain shalwars all the way along here, and then starting over here these are 3 Vaishali prints. We also use body busts to display suits. Here's a prime example of the velvet fabric that I showed in the last video. This is it displayed on the rolls standing up, but when it's actually put on a mannequin it totally transforms the look. Here's the same fabric displayed on the mannequin, and here's the navy color, and this is what helps to actually sell these fabric designs. So we've got quite a few Vaishali designs in the shop, and we are going to try and select 3 for the display. The idea is to select 3 different ones in terms of print. We want a small print and a large print, and we're also going to try and vary the colors as well. So we've got Vaishali 4607 which is in 4 colors. Those ones there. We have Vaishali 4611, 4611, and that's also in 4 colors: peach, pink, grey and turquoise. So I'm going to lay these out so that we can see what the choices are, and then we're going to make a decision of which 3 we're going to use. So we've got 4604, and we've got 3 colors in that as well. We've got the mehendi green, we've got the grey in the middle, and then we've got the pink as well. I'll show you from the back, that'll give you a clearer idea. So we've got 3 suits of those. So 4603, which is sort of a medium floral print. We've got 3 suits in those. We've got the green, we've got the purple in the middle, and we've got the brown. So that's that. And then we've got 3 suits two suits in 4612, a grey and a mehendi green. We've got 1 suit in 4603, which is that one there, and then got 1 in 4614, which is a royal blue with teal, and we've got 1 suit in 4613. So I think initially we're going to go for one from the 4607 And we'll probably go for a mustard colour, because looking at what we've got on display already, we haven't got a mustard colour, so that will introduce a new colour into it. So 4607 in the mustard, we'll use that. And then 4604, probably go for that one, grey turquoise. And then finally one more suit. Just trying to think. We'll probably use a pink from 4611. So those are the three suits that I'm going to display, and I think they're going to go in that order. So pink on one side, that one in the middle, and the mustard on one side. So we've got three different colours. We've got a small print, we've got a sort of medium print, and we've got a large print. So that, I think, is a good choice. We haven't got these colours on display, and we've got a variety there in terms of colours and prints. So we'll display those two. So as you can see, we've got two gold bars here, one here and one here. The bottom one is used to drape the shalwar, the top one is used to drape the kameez, and they are held in place by plastic clips which are clipped onto the fabric. So we fold the fabric in half lengthwise, and then we fold it in half again. So we are displaying a quarter of the width of the fabric. Once we've got the quarter of the width, it goes over the bar. And then it's draped. So both ends are the same length. Move it to one side, and then secure it with a clip. There. Moving on to the kameez. Fold it in the same manner again. Fold it in half along the length, and then fold it in half again. So once you finish folding, you end up something like this, and then that goes on the top bar. And then along here we've got a set length which is in level with what we already have. It's approximately halfway from the top and the bottom, where the kameez ends. And then we secure it with two clips on the top. And now we do the dupatta. One of the ways to check that the Vaishali that you're buying is genuine is check on the corner of the dupatta and you will see Vaishali logo. Sometimes it's difficult to tell. Sometimes you're buying French crepe as Vaishali and it's actually not a genuine Vaishali fabric. That's the pink one done. Moving on to the next one. That's how it looks, by the way, 4611B, which is what I've just displayed there. That's how it looks in the photo. The next design is 4604, colour A. That's how it looks. And one of other Vaishali's trademarks is that all three pieces of fabric, the kameez, shalwar and the dupatta, is sewn together. So I've just unraveled this suit from the packet and that's how it is. The kameez, shalwar and they're sewn together in the middle. And we just basically pull it apart. That's the kameez done. That's the shalwar, dupatta. Whether they come on a roll or whether they come in the packets, that's how Vaishali sends out these suits. So fold the fabric in half. Fold it again. Moving on to the kameez. So you're basically folding the fabric twice along the width and then folding it once along the length. Drape it so the length is the same and then secure it with clips on the top. It's quite an effective way of displaying it. It means we can have the display on the top and we can have our fabric rolls on the bottom. And it doesn't take a lot of time, and as I said and demonstrated earlier, it does really transform the look of the fabric and it really helps people make a decision when they're buying. Dupatta draped on the top. Like so. Moving on, a final suit that we need to display, design 4607 in the mustard colour, colour C. That's how it looks in the picture. If you're you're buying the suits in packets, the suits come with a Vaishali label as well, like so. I'll just separate these. Fold it in half, fold it in half again, secure it with a clip. Finally, the dupatta. You can already see how really effective they're looking, and you can see the clear designs clearly. So the display is now complete. All three designs nicely displayed. You can clearly see each different color and different design, and from there onwards customers can make a decision with regards to purchase. So in total we got 9 suits displayed. Let us know what you thought of today's video. Did you enjoy it? Drop us a comments in the comments section. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it with family and friends. And if you're not already a subscriber, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very shortly on the next video.